Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I'm really excited to give you a tour around this Volkswagen approved used Touareg R-Line, which is a 3-litre diesel automatic, 286 PS 4Motion drive finished in an upgraded pure white paint. This vehicle does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you'd like to find out more information then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So beginning a 360-degree walk around, a great added benefit on this car is your heated windscreen washer jets, which ensure all your journeys are as effortless as can be. Then we do also have your front LED lights that will really brighten up the roads ahead whilst making you more visible to other road users. Next, taking you around to the side profile, you'll notice we do have these incredible alloys making the car look really sporty. Then panning up, we do have your R-Line embossed on the sides, highlighting the enhanced trim with electric folding door mirrors. And then following down, we do have your rear privacy glass, really finishing off the overall look, as well as offering extra protection from the sun for your rear passengers during the summer. Taking a glance inside, this luxury model's interior is finished off in the Vienna leather upholstery, offering space and practicality for you and your passengers. This is an ideal family car. We do have your ISOFIX points, which are handy if you're carrying any children. Then your passengers do also have access to climate controls in the rear to keep them comfy, as well as charging points so they can charge their devices on the move. Making my way to the back of the vehicle, another added benefit is your parking camera to help you manoeuvre in those tighter spaces. You do also have the support from your front and rear parking sensors. And then another added benefit on this car is your electric tailgate, so we can access this via the key fob. So this is nice and handy when you arrive to the car in either a rush or with your hands full. So taking a look inside, as you can see, we are greeted with a huge amount of space in the boots. We do have plenty of room to store your weekly shopping trips, and you could easily fit in a couple of large suitcases. And then a great optional extra on this model was your power folding tow bar. So just holding your finger down on the button for a few seconds, this will automatically pop out the bottom. So this is ideal for towing any trailers or caravans. And then the same process applies to popping it straight back in. You do also have your 12-volt socket, which is also handy. And then to close the boot, you just simply press the button as demonstrated. Panning around, you'll notice we do have your handy roof rails, which are great for outdoor activities. And then this R-Line model has covered 27,429 miles from new. Next, taking a glance inside the front interior, we are greeted with your leather multifunction steering wheel, followed by your R-Line embossed front heated seats. So these are really comfy. You do have various adjustments to support you in finding the most safe and comfortable position that's best for you. So that does conclude the first part of the video. So in the next part, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So jumping inside the car, we do have your multiple electric mirror and window adjustments, as well as your central locking. In the driver's door, we do have your piano black decorative inserts with your automatic lights, and then moving onto your R-Line embossed multifunction steering wheel. So this is also heated to keep your hands nice and cozy. So here we can access features without having to move our hands, including the adaptive cruise control, great for motorway driving. Then using the controls on the right side of the wheel, you can customize what you want to see in your digital dash display screen. This is where you find all your customizable menus and information. So you can have your satellite navigation display directly in front of you. So this is designed to further enhance your driving experience. And then moving over to your center console. So here we have your infotainment system where we can access all the car's different functionalities. So here we have your FM and DAB radio as a standard option to keep you entertained during them longer journeys. And going back into your menu, another great feature is your Bluetooth. So this will allow you to make hands-free calls on the move, so it's ideal if you have a busy working lifestyle. Then here we can access your app connection, so you can pair your phone to the car to stream your maps to help you plan your routes, as well as your music, contacts and messages. So here we have your parking camera. This will give you that boost of confidence when parking and manoeuvring in those tighter spaces. This is designed to keep your car nice and safe, and then you do also have the additional support from your parking sensors. So this will give off an audio warning to help protect your vehicle and anything around it. And then here we can access your park assist control, so you never need to worry about parking up again. This car is a 4Motion drive, and then we can access your different driving profiles that are available. So these are designed to choose your driving style, which will further enhance your driving experience. So we can also control the balance of your seats to make sure you find the most comfortable position for you and your front passenger. Just below we do have a storage compartment. You have got your wireless smartphone charging point in there as well. So just placing your phone in, it takes a couple of seconds and it will automatically start charging. This prevents wires from being all over your centre console. It's also really convenient as it gives you a place for your phone to sit. Then panning further down, we do have your automatic transmission. We have your keyless start and electronic park brake and auto hold for added ease for the driver, a couple of handy cup holders. Then we do have some storage under the armrest with a USB port to charge media devices. Then finally, my favourite feature is your fantastic panoramic sunroof. So this is an upgraded option. So just using the controls, we can easily open and close the roof. This is a perfect addition for the summer. And then when the sun glare gets that bit too much, you do also have your electric sun blind on there as well. So thank you for watching this video in this Volkswagen approved used Touareg R-Line, which just includes a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.